Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to add an NS record on your Namecheap domain. So it's pretty easy to do. It's very simple. So let's get on right in with the video. Now, first and foremost, go over to your domain list and then go ahead and click on it and then look for the domain that you want to change that record for. Now, head over to the manage on that domain and then go over to the advanced DNS settings. You can see on my cursor here. Go ahead and click that, and then once you do, it's going to take quite a bit for it to load actually, so just wait for it to load, and when it does, head over to add new record and then look for the NS record right here under host records. So type in the host, type in the name server you want to go ahead and connect to, and then pretty much set the TTL to whatever you are comfortable with, and then click save changes. So that's how you go ahead and add an NS record on your Namecheap domain. It's pretty easy and it's very simple. So if you did find this helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all for the next